Hi guys, I am Kamel. I have been working as a BI consultant for many years. Welcome back to our channel. If you are finding us first time, be sure to hit that subscribe button. In this video, I want to show you how you can create simple date table just using Power BI. Let's start now. Here I have an internet cell and order date, and I have disabled the auto date time features. Therefore, if I will take a date order and drop into my report, and sales amount, so here I can see just slicing day by day. And this is not an optimal choice. What I want to do is being able to slice by year, by month, by quarter, and so on. So I have to create my own date table. Just delete, go to data, new table. We gonna call it dates. Dates equal to shift plus enter. Here we gonna use calendar auto function. Here I'm gonna use calendar auto function, which is scan your model, all the data column in your model, and create a suitable date table that will hit all the year which are referenced by our dates. So here we have a date column, but that is not enough for our dashboard. So I want more column. If you want, you can just click on new column, but here we are using DAX. So I will write some code and create a new add column and so on. So there is a one function in DAX, add column. Now here I want to add a new column that is called year, and then expression which will evaluate it in order to return year. Year and date and enter. So here you can see we have a new column that is called year. Here we also need the month, so we will use the format function and we format as a date as a month. Column name month, format, date, month, bracket close. So now here we have a year and month. Here I need month number because I wanna sort the month in the right way. Column name, month number, month, and date. Now here we have date, year, month and month number. Now what if I need quarter? Column name quarter. Again we will use format function. By date. Slash quarter. Enter. So now here we have date, year, month, month number and quarter. Here you can see very simple date table, but sometime calendar auto function scan all the date column in our model, include birth date and whatever might be there. So maybe this is create large date table. So this is not a good practice. So if you want, we can use two function here, calendar and also calendar auto. The each function written a single column table of dates. So now I'm gonna just create a variable minimum date which contain the minimum of the internet sales order date. Par variable min date equal to year, because I'm gonna focus only on the year. And also another variable maximum date. And I'm gonna use this variable in the written part. And I filter auto date calendar where year of the date is greater or equal to the minimum date, and at the same time the greater of the date is less or equal to the max date, maximum date. So here I filter auto calendar where year of the date is greater or equal to minimum date, and at the same time the year of the date is less than or equal to the maximum date. And so now you can see we have here minimum date 2019 and maximum 2020. And this is the last step. Always remember to mark as a date table. Select the date, mark as a date table, date, OK. Month, here you can see we will use month number so we can sort by month Jan to December. Go again data, click here, sort by month number. So now you can see here we have month Jan till December. So this was really very simple date table. I hope you liked this video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Bye bye, take care.